Wait! Your window glass didn't go up! Let me help you!
Do not need you. Look. I just need to press and hold the lock button for 5 seconds. The window glass is raised.
It is fuck amazing! How did you do that?
This little trick is very practical. I teach you. In fact, many cars have this function. Just set it up. We find vehicles in the menu. Find settings. Find this opening and closing again. After clicking in, there is a car window option. Adjust it to all windows. This function is set up. In fact, the car key has many hidden functions. I'll tell you a few more, especially the last one. It can save your life at critical times. First, we long press the unlock button and lock button. Wait 3 seconds. Heard a noise. The car lock reminder function is now set. In the future, there will be a beep when locking the car. No more worries about forgetting to lock the car. Second, we long press the unlock button. Wait 3 seconds. The window glass will lower. After the vehicle has been exposed to the sun in summer, we can use this method to ventilate the car. Cooling effect is great. Third, our car key is out of power. The car door won't open. Don't panic. There is a small mechanism on the top of our car keys. This gently pulls it. You can take out the mechanical key. You squat down and look. There's a small hole here. We gently insert it with a mechanical key and pry it gently. The keyhole leaked out. Insert key into turn. The car door opened. Because the car key is out of power, we turned on the fire and nothing happened. Can't start. In fact, our car has an emergency sensing area. That's the sign. Stick the car keys near him. Light a fire. Look, started successfully the first time. Finally, we open vehicles. Click settings. Find this opening and closing again. Then click on the door option. Select the main driver's door. In this way, when we unlock the car door, only the main driver's door can be opened. The remaining doors cannot be opened. This function is especially suitable for girls when they go out. Protect yourself from being robbed and violated. I'm Brother Tong. Follow me. There are also 1000 car knowledge on the homepage.
New drivers often lack a good sense of their car's size, making it difficult to judge distances from inside the vehicle. Remember to use the A-pillar angle as a reference point to help estimate distance in various situations. When turning and there's a car blocking the front, as long as the A-pillar angle does not go beyond the bottom of the car ahead, you can turn the steering wheel fully and pass safely without hitting anything. If there's a car on the left side, as long as the A-pillar angle stays below the headlights of the car next to you, you can pass without worrying about scraping. When facing an obstacle in front, align the A-pillar angle with the bottom of the obstacle, then turn the steering wheel fully. The car will pass closely, but won't scrape the obstacle. While reversing, if the A-pillar is lined up with the headlight of the car next to you, turn the wheel fully and back out. Your car's front will clear safely without scraping. Since every car has a different size, new drivers can use the A-pillar as a reference point to judge real distance, improve their sense of the car, and avoid scraping or collision.
Drive forward in a straight line. Align the rear view mirror with the parking space line. Turn the steering wheel full to the left. Drive forward. When the corner of the parking space can be seen in the rear view mirror, turn the steering wheel full to the right. Reverse the car. Straighten the steering wheel. Reverse the car. Please follow me.
On both sides, we only need to focus on 2 reference points to get in. First, drive forward until your shoulder is roughly aligned with the center of the parking slot, then stop briefly. This is the first reference point. It doesn't have to be perfectly centered. Next, turn the steering wheel fully to the right and move forward. While moving, watch the left side mirror. Notice that this is the right corner of the parking slot. Keep going forward, and here's the left corner of the slot. This is the second reference point we're looking for. Once you've found this position, the rest is simple. Turn the steering wheel fully to the left and start reversing. As you reverse, always check both side